A child swimming on a swing is sitting position, the stand up, then the time period of the swing is. See here, the child, this is the swing. This is the swing. The child is initially sitting. Here it is. But we know that the time, the length of the box, the center of the body to the suspension of the position is the length of a pendulum. Now the length of the pendulum, how much is there here? When she stand, the she stand is nothing but this is the same swing. This is the swing. But she stand. She is the stand. Now the center of mass can be shifted up to here. Now the center of mass, this is the center of mass. Here also this is the center of mass. Now center of mass can be shifted. Now the suspension of position to the center of mass, the between the distance is called length. Now you can observe here the length will be decreasing. Length is decreases. The length decreases is nothing but we know the time period. T is directly proportional to the square root of length. The length is decreasing, therefore time period also decreases. Time period also decreases. Next question number 56. The time period of oscillation of simple pendulum length L, the suspended from a ceiling in a vehicle, the which is the moves the out of the friction downwards and inclined. So this is the inclined. It is a making of angle. It is taken in a vehicle. Here the vehicle can be connected. It's the G is acting vertically downward. That is the weight. It can be resolved into two rectangular components. It's mg cos theta and it's like the mg sin theta. And normal can be acting this is the direction. The first, it's the total length is the L. Here the first of all, the G is one is acting is vertically downwards and another one is acting here the direction of the G. Then we can find the resultant of G. Resultant of G. See, there is a G effect is equal to under root of G1 square plus G2 square plus 2G1 G2 into sin theta. Here G1 is equal to G and G2 is equal to G sin theta into cos theta. Sorry, here the cos theta. Now here theta, we can substitute here the values. G effect is equal to under root of G square plus G sin theta into whole square plus 2G into G sin theta into cos theta. Here is the cos and angle. Because of this angle, how much is there here? The 90 plus theta. It's a making an angle with a vehicle. The vehicle of the angle we can write here the 90 plus theta. The cos of 90 plus theta is nothing but 2. Since cos of 90 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Minus sin. We can write here the under root of G square plus G square sin square theta minus, because of plus into minus 2G square sin square theta. Here the G square sin square theta minus 2G sin square theta, that is equal to G square minus G square sin square theta. Here take the common for the G square, we can add a 1 minus sin square theta. We know the trigonometry for the formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then we can write the cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square. Now we can substitute here the under root of G square cos square theta, that is equal to G into cos theta. This is the G effect. Then find it is a time period. Therefore time period T is equal to 2 pi into under root of L by G effect. Now write the GF is equal to how much is the G cost. Substitute here the 2 pi into under root of L by G cos theta. This is the time frame of a when in a sealing of a pen. Let's see the question number 62. Question number 62. The mass and radius of the planets are double of the Earth. The time period of the simple pendulum of the Earth is T, the time period of the planet. Now here is given by the, this is the Earth and it is given by the planet. Now its radius is R. R1 is equal to R. Its mass is equal to M. Now here, this planet of the radius is double of the Earth. That is R2 is equal to 2R. And mass also double 2M. M2 is equal to 2M. And here the time period is given, the Earth of the time at T1 is equal to T. Then T2 is equal to how much? See, we know the time period. What is the time period? T is equal to 2 pi into under root of L by G. See here, G is equal to, what is the formula? Gm by R square. Now we substitute here the T is equal to 2 pi into under root of L by G m by R square. That is equal to 2 pi into under root of L into R square by Gm. Now that time the T is directly proportional or inversely proportional square root of the mass. Take the ratio T1 by T2 is equal to R1 by R2 into under root of M2 by M1. Now substitute here the values. T1 is equal to how much is there? T by T2 is equal to R1 is equal to R by 2R into under root of 2M by M. Now MM gets cancelled and RR gets cancelled. And here the root 2 times. That is a cross multiplication. The T2 is equal to root 2 into T. This is the time period of a planet. See the next question number 64. A ball of mass 5 kg. This is the ball is given. Its mass, how much is there here? The 5 kg. From the spring of the force constant. The force constant how much is given by the K. And oscillation with a certain period. Now it's pulling down and releasing. It is an oscillation. It's up and down of the oscillations of the ball is given. The spring, the shorten. The spring shorten is nothing but X is equal to how much? How much of the elongation of its length. See here, we know that upward force is equal to downward force. Mg is equal to Kx. Then Mg by K is equal to X. M is equal to how much is M? 5. Now 5G by K is equal to X. The shorthand of how much is there here? The X is equal to 5G by K. Next see the 68. Then see the 68. K is the force constant. The work done increasing of extension from L1 to L2. So what we can find out? Work done. Work done in increasing. In increasing its extension. Its extension L1 to L. See, we know the formula. Therefore, work done is equal to change in kinetic energy. Change in kinetic energy. The change in kinetic energy is equal to half kx2 square minus half kx1 square is equal to work done. Here the x2 is equal to L2 and x1 is equal to L1. Right here the half k L2 square minus half k L1 square. Then half k will take the common. L2 square minus L1 square is equal to work done. Is equal to work done. Let's see the question number 75. 75. A load of mass M. See, this is the, we consider the spring is attached to one end of the rigid supported, the another end we can attach with the mass. Now there is nothing but load. Now the load of the mass, how much is given by the capital M, is attached to the bottom of the mass M by 3, and here is given by its mass is M, and it is mass is given by the m by 3. And spring constant, the spring constant is given by the k. The system set in oscillation, the time period. See, the system set in oscillation, time period t is equal to 2 pi into under root of m plus m by 3 by k. This is the formula for the when it is attached to the spring mass and weighted of the mass. But here is given by the mass. How much is given by the m by 3? Now you can write here the substitute the t is equal to 2 pi into under root of m plus m by 3 by 3 by k. That is equal to 2 pi under root of m plus m by 9, 3 into 3, 9 by k. Take here the LCM, 2 pi into under root of 9m plus m by 9 into k. That is equal to 10m by k. 2 pi into under root of 10m by 9k. The root of 9, what we can write here the 3, the 2 pi by 3 under root of 10m by k. This is the time period of a weight. So next question number 79. A spring balanced scale that reads 0 to 20 kgs. The length of the scale 10 centimeters. The body suspended from this the balance. When the balance is and released, the oscillate of the time period. The time period is given by the pi by 10 seconds. The oscillate of the time. What is the mass of the body? What is the mass of the body? See, this is the rigid supported and spring is attached of a body. Okay, the spring constant if you consider k and weight is acting vertically downwards and displacement is the x. See, therefore its time period. The time period is equal to 2 pi into under root of m by k. We can find out the mass m, and then before we can find the k, see the total upward force is equal to downward force, mg is equal to kx. See, we can write here the k is equal to mg by x. Here already is given by the mass here. This is the mass is equal to given by the 20 kgs. This substitute here the 20 into and g value is taken by the 9.8 and x is nothing but the length is given by the 10 centimeter. 10 into 10 power of minus 2 is equal to k. Now this k value substitute here and then find out the m and t value is given. See, k value substitute above equation. See, there is a t is equal to 2 pi into under root of m by k. T is equal to how much is there is the pi by 10. That is equal to 2 pi under root of m by k is equal to how much is there? Here the 20 into 9.8, that is a 19.6. We can write the 20 into 9.8 divided by 10 into 10 power of minus 2. And here the cancel. The pi gets cancelled. And it's taken this side. You can write the 1 by 20 is equal to under root of m into 10 into 10 power of minus 2 divided by 20 into 9.8. Then the final we get the m is equal to 4.9 kg. 4.9 kg. Next, see the 81. A ring is the suspended from a point of S. This is the ring. Suspended from a point of S. Showing it here. The when displacement from the equilibrium, the oscillate of the time period is 2 seconds. Now its radius is center is O and radius is like the R. Okay, and its time period t is equal is given by the 2 seconds and g is equal is given pi square. G is equal is given by the pi square. See, right here the time period. Therefore, the time period t is equal to 2 pi into under root of L by G. L is nothing but length. Length is nothing but here. The bottom of the ring to top of the ring. See here the bottom of the ring to top of the ring length is equal to 2r. Length is equal to how much is there? 2r. See, you can write here the substitute in the formula. T is equal to how much is there? 2 is equal to 2 pi under root of L is equal to how much is there? 2r by G is equal to how much is there? Pi square. G is equal to pi square. And 2 gets cancelled. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Let's say that 1 is equal to pi square into 2r by pi square. Pi square gets cancelled. This 2r is equal to 1. R is equal to 1 by 2. That is equal to 0.5 meter. This ring of the radius, how much is there here? 0.5 meter. And next, see the question number 85. Question number 85. If the differential equation of damped oscillation is m d square x by dt square plus b into dx by dt plus kx is equal to 0. This is the damped oscillation of equation. The energy of damped oscillation at a time. See, amplitude of damped oscillation. Amplitude of damped oscillation, that's A naught is equal to A into, so that A is equal to A naught into e to the power of minus bt by 2m. So this is the damped. Therefore, total energy of damped oscillation. See, that is E is equal to 1 by 2 k into A square. This is the damped oscillation. But A is equal to how much is that? A naught into e to the power of minus bt by 2. Now substitute here. E is equal to 1 by 2 k into A naught into e to the power of minus bt by 2m whole square. That is equal to 1 by 2 k into A naught square e to the power of minus bt by 2m. See, this is the total energy of damped oscillation. Now the last question, that is 86. A particle executing simple harmonic motion, if the maximum acceleration alpha and maximum velocity is beta, then the time period of vibration, therefore time period t is equal to how much? See, we know that maximum acceleration alpha maximum is equal to a omega square. This is considered equation number 1. And maximum velocity beta maximum is equal to a omega. This is considered equation number 2. Equation 1 divided by equation 2. Alpha by beta is equal to a omega square by a omega. And a gets cancelled and omega. That is equal, that implies alpha by beta is equal to omega. We know omega is equal to 2 pi by t. Substitute here. Alpha by beta is equal to 2 pi by t. Then t is equal to 2 pi beta by alpha. This is the time period of a maximum acceleration and maximum velocity.